Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A37 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the proximity sensor not working properly in your Samsung Galaxy device. So, at first you need to notice what's the problem. You can notice that your screen doesn't turn off during calls, screen stays black after calls, accidental touches with your cheek, and this means of course that the sensor isn't detecting distance correctly. So at first, the most common fix for you is to clean the area of your sensor. So just clean the top part of the screen near the front camera. And why it matters? Dirt, oil, or dust can block detection. So use a microfiber cloth because no liquids are needed here. Maybe alcohol if you don't have, and normal cloth if you don't have the microfiber one. Now everything should be nice. Apart from that, check if you have any screen protector or case, remove it. I know that you may pay a lot for your for screen protector or case, but you know, screen protector can be bought another one. You can buy another one better that works, and case you can still put it on. If you have some case that covers your screen, you need to just buy some that covers just the back of your phone. So, because this can block the sensor or interfere with it, so especially cheap fake protectors are the common issue. Number 3 fix: just restart your phone. Hold the power and volume down button in your device, and hit restart and restart. Then draw your pattern or pin code or something else, and this should fix temporary software glitches. Apart from that, we have a few more fixes, but what I can say now without showing you this is to avoid edge cases, and literally edge cases. Thick cases, dirty pockets, static hair or fabric, and this can confuse the sensor signal. And apart from that, I do recommend to turn off the double tap to wake, which I will show you in a moment. Phone is starting as you can see right now. And now we need to at first go to the settings. Now, as I said, let's start by turning off the double tap to turn on. To do so, at first go to the advanced features, as far as I remember, and here you need to go to the motions and gestures. Turn off to double tap to turn on the screen and turn off the screen. These two have to be disabled. This can interfere with the screen behavior. And the next thing, test the sensor. I know that you may think about some other separate third-party application, but you don't need to have it. Open Samsung Members, build an application in your phone. If you uninstall it, you can download this application from the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store or everywhere else. Once you have your application turned on, you need to go to the Diagnostics by tapping here these 3 dots in the top right corner, Settings, and here find Diagnostics. It was here as far as I remember, but now where is this Diagnostics? Okay, it's not here. So go to Support here, and as you can see here we have this phone Diagnostics now. As far as I remember, 2 years or even more ago there was Diagnostics tab here. So here tap Get Started in Support. And now here they have system software, battery status. Just do this check until you see here the proximity sensor. Power research status, mobile network, sensors. Checking. Checked. Here, as you can see, the remaining tests are interactive. Here you can tap OK. Location while using the app. Here checking. As you can see, I don't really think so that it's not necessary over here, but now if I go back and tap Stop Diagnostics, we can see in the test that sensors are here correct. If you scroll down, you can see the wired headphones, touch screen, some other things. This is not what we want. Here we want the sensors. If sensors are okay, because as you can see here we have accelerometer, light sensor, gyroscope, magnetic sensor. If these are okay, it's nice, but if it's not nice over here, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. And the last thing that I can show you is just to do a factory reset of your phone, or just go to the device support. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.